I need to chill for a second. What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm in a different setting. I'm in my backyard right now, in my jacuzzi, because today I'm gonna bathe in 1,000 bath bombs. I haven't wanted to do this for so long, but I didn't just want to do it in my bathtub. I wanted to be a little extra and do it in my jacuzzi. I'm kind of worried. I don't know if these bath bombs are gonna ruin my filters. The pool guy, is he gonna be mad at me? Am I just gonna like ruin everything? I don't know, but to be honest, I don't really care. Like, I'm just excited to swim in this. It's gonna be so soft and so smooth, so silky. It smells so good, you guys. Like, I am in heaven right now, and I'm just excited to take this bath. You know, I've been so busy the last few weeks. I need this more than anybody. It's freezing in here, but I am ready, honey. Also, hello, I am engaged. Yes, I'm so annoying. I'm just so happy, y'all. Is it gonna ruin my ring? Like all this? No, huh?
No, I doubt.
Okay. So I got 1,000 bath bombs, y'all. It is so many bath bombs in here. This thing is so heavy. I don't even know how I'm gonna put these in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just really excited. You know, when it comes to getting 1,000 bath bombs, to be honest, it was kind of hard to get different colors. Okay, it's not that easy. So I thought it would be fun, you know, kind of like get crafty up in here and decorate them, you know, put some glitter on them, maybe some coloring in there. I don't know, kind of like a little DIY, decorate our bath bombs. I don't know. Let's do that. I'm literally DIYing bath bombs right now, literally. By the way, y'all, I mean, self promo, shameless self promo right here. I do have my bath bomb kits out at Target exclusively right now, so go get your hands on them, boo. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm just going in, honey. That looks so cute! Oh my gosh, okay. I just want all the colors in here. What am I doing? Ooh, gold, okay. There you go. I like this blue, just like drip it on there. Oh my god, this looks so pretty! You guys. DIY bath bombs. Shaking in my boots. Okay. The water, I'm ready. I am ready. My eye. There's glitter in my eye, I'm crying. I'm just so emotional, y'all. I just got engaged. I'm kidding. Maybe some paint? Is this gonna, what is this gonna do? Ah! Ah! Ooh. I'm pretty sure nobody decorates their bathrooms like this. I just want some pretty water. I need to chill. Just one more color, just one more. Whoa, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, well, this batch looks absolutely amazing. Maybe just a little glitter on these. Ah! I think this is good to go. I am ready. All right, let's do this. Okay. I need help. Somebody, hello?
Help is here.
I can't. I can't. Okay. I'm scared, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't exaggerating.
Like ice cream.
Everybody thinks I'm so extra. Everybody always like, you're so extra, you're exaggerating. No, guys, I'm like,
oh my god.
My body is numb right now. I'm not playing around. I know, I'm like trying to dance in here because like my legs are numb right now. All right, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god, this is so exciting. Is it heavy?
Pretty heavy, yeah.
Oh my gosh! It's spilling. Oh my gosh! No!
Oh.
This is insane.
Lord, like a volcano.
Oh my gosh! The jets are not even on! Oh my god! I feel them all over my feet! It feels so weird. It feels like animals. Oh my god, it's scaring me. Wait. Oh my god! Whoa!
Here.
This is so beautiful. Wait.
Some gold.
Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm bathing like an orange soda or something. Oh my god, my feet are like,
wow.
I am literally stepping on bath bombs. Like there is no space to actually step. Oh my gosh. I want to grab one. Where are they? Oh, I feel some. Oh my god. Oh. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What?
Dude, it's still going, it's insane. It's
still, I feel like the jets are on. They're not on.
We have 2 more.
My feet are so smooth right now with these bath bombs. Like, whoa. This is amazing.
Dude.
It is so soft in here. I want to do that one.
You do this one? Oh, we should decorate this one though.
Ow! Dude! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Why is this stuff on me? Wait, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, is it on my face?
No, you're good.
I feel like a bath bomb. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Come back. Why does it go? Oh my gosh. Look at the rock.
Dude, it's so soft though.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Where's the paint? You guys, this is amazing. This
like a canvas.
It looks like a glitter volcano. You guys, this is so relaxing. Yes. Yes, honey.
You should walk over here, Karina.
I probably look like a hot mess, but I feel good. So satisfying. Alright, you guys, that is it for this paving in 1,000 baths. I'm gonna stay here all day, honey. It feels so good. I feel so relaxed right now. There's glitter everywhere, but it's just, I'm feeling it, okay? What are you doing? No! Bro, why? Oh my god, I was having such a relaxing time! What are you doing?
You have to
okay.
bathe in paint.
Wow. Wow. I mean, I don't know what it is, but this paint feels like lotion. I look crazy. I am. I'm just kidding. I know you're looking at me like, what is wrong with her? I am so relaxed right now. I literally just want to sit here for hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below what other weird thing you want me to do. I don't know, y'all. I haven't wanted to do this for so long. And I thought, you know what? I could do it in my bathtub, but like, why not go crazy? You know what I mean? So I hope you enjoyed that. Do not forget that you can get my bath bomb kit at Target exclusively right now. And go ahead and tag me if you guys do. Tag me on Instagram, Twitter, so I can follow y'all back. Thanks for the support, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. I'm really just gonna go for a swim in here. Like, it feels so good. Alright, guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye! Ah! No! No, it's too cold! It's too cold! No, I gotta get out of here. Never mind. Okay. What? Oh, it's paint. Duh. It's so cold, but it feels so good.